Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here coming to you with a video today. Before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe for those who are new to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications. So today I'm coming to you with a review or a unboxing, and they're already unpackaged and everything. But I bought some guitar straps for my Dooneys. So I showed you the Unray Bindale that I bought with for my steel blue satchel here. I'm wearing this week, so it's working out great. I love the way it carries on my shoulder. This is awesome. I actually love this thicker strap versus the strap that the bag comes with. But I love this strap, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty, but it goes very well with this bag. So I have 3 others that came in, and this is the first one. This is a green. It's like almost like the Kelly green color with gold grommets. And it has the skinnier bottom part where you connect it to your purse, and the actual strap is a little wider. So this is a really cute strap that I am having the darndest time trying to find a bag to go with this, because all you ladies out there bought up the cute Florentine, or not Florentine, but the Kelly green Sambas, and those are the ones, yeah, the Kelly green Sambas. So if you have any other suggestions on what will go with this strap, please let me know. I went on the Dooney site today, and I saw that they're doing a sale on the Beacon collection. So I went on there, and I was like, I don't know if this is gonna look right with any of those Beacon bags. So I'm probably gonna go back on there a little later on and try to catch something to go with this particular strap. It is a nice weight to it. It feels really sturdy, and I cannot wait to wear this with one of my bags. And I don't know, it might look right with one of the Beacons. I don't know. I'll have to see. I don't know. So that's one. And this one was the Michael Kors. It was originally $98, and I caught it on sale on their website for $7.50. Yes, they was having a really good sale. The second Michael Kors I got is this, it's almost kind of a fuchsia color. I don't know if it's showing that in the video to you guys, but it is a fuchsia. And this one has the gold grommets also. It also has the widening at the top and the thinner part at the bottom. So I think that will look really cool when I also find another bag to wear this with. I went out there to look for a fuchsia Samba or Florentine or something to go with this. And again, I saw one of the Beacons, but I don't know how these straps would really look on those bags. So I really don't know. This one was $98, and this one was also for $7.50 on the Dooney website. So I can't wait to find something and carry these. I think this is gonna look so cool on the bag. So it's a really nice weight to it also. And I had pulled out, I don't know why I pulled out the red. This is definitely, oh, I know why I pulled out the red. I put out my red satchel because I figured, well, maybe for Christmas time, don't worry about the bow, because I would end up taking the scarf off. But I said maybe during Christmas time I can just kind of switch out and put this on here for Christmas and kind of do a red and green thing. Yeah. I don't know. I might go bold and do it and do that. I don't know. For Christmas around the holidays. I think that would be pretty nice. And then I pulled out my Kingston, my red Kingston, because I couldn't think I was at work, y'all, looking at bags. So I pulled out my red Kingston here because I wanted to see. I couldn't remember if you can take the straps off, but you can. So I don't want to take it off now and go through all of that. The gray one, that's what I was looking for. To see how that would look on the Kingston. I only have really 3 favorite styles of Dooneys, and that is the Kingston, the Clayton, and the satchels for now. I'm gonna try to venture out and do some other stuff. I did buy that logo lock, and now I'm kind of like, yeah, it's okay. That was one of those, it's on sale, I'm here at the Dooney store, I gotta find something type of bags that I bought. But this is kind of how it looks. Oh, not like that. On the Kingston. I use my Kingston as a crossbody. I don't know. It's not that bad on it. But I love it on me. So cool. So we'll have to see. Maybe during the holidays, I'll venture out and do something different and use it for that. For one of my red bags. However, my last strap that I got is a Rebecca Minkoff. I think I'm saying that name right. Rebecca Minkoff. And this one is really pretty too. It's got the embroidery on it. My light is probably not reflecting it well, but when I got this, I saw that this one would also go well with my steel blue because it has the steel blue in it. So let me move Ray out the way, and I can even do this one with the steel blue. I think that would be nice too. Ooh. But I said it to myself, I'm gonna get, I'm not a fan of white bags, but I did see some satchels that, I don't know if I just want a white satchel. I just don't want to deal with the, with it getting dirty and all of that stuff. I think the brightest I would go is the bone color, or yeah, probably the bone color would be the brightest I would go. But I bought this satchel, and this is like, man, this is like a belt. You know how we used to get whoopings back in the day. This is like one of them. But this one is it doesn't have the like my other belts, are thinner at the bottom. This one just is a wide strap all the way across the belt. Or I'm sorry, I said belt. I meant strap. So this one, I particularly had my navy satchel in mind for this one. Excuse the bow on it. So I this is what I got this for, because I thought that would look, kind of add like a really nice accent to it. And this is how it looks on. So use it as a crossbody here. I think that would look really nice with this one. I had found another one. It actually was more blue, and then it had the reverse colors in it. So it was white, and this, I'll just call it steel blue since it kind of matches my steel blue satchel. And it had gray in it and some silver in it also. But I ended up missing out on that one. But I got this one for, I think it was 20 something, $23. I think it was something like that. But that's what I got that one for. So, and the other one I saw, it had the red in it, but I missed out on it. But it had the red, it had all the little colors in it. So there it is. I'll just cover up my little scarf right there. But that's what I brought that one for. So that was a really good deal. So those are just some of the straps that I got for my bags, and I really need to find some nice bags for these. I've seen some out there, but you guys, if you've been looking out there on Poshmark, Mercari, YouTube, they still want a pretty penny for those bags. And I mean, I get it, they're rare, they don't sell them on Dooney anymore and whatever, but my take on that is if they're damaged, or you know, you're really showing signs of wear, you're not going to be able to sell your bag for that amount of money that you're asking. You have to really be reasonable, and I think competitive in your prices, because there's enough of us out there that are gonna buy the bag, but you really gotta be competitive. I think you can price it whatever you want to, but I mean, to get them to really move like, you know, you want, and you got to consider the condition of it also. That's just my take on that. But anyway, if you are out there and you are selling your Kelly green or fuchsia satchel or something that would go with this Dooney, or I don't know, maybe a Michael Kors. I don't know. I kind of gave up on Michael Kors since I got Dooney, because I'm telling you, the quality of Dooney has just got me locked in all the way. I'm literally trying to go in another route, but I just keep coming back to Dooney because of the quality. I don't get a lot of fraying, or I haven't had a strap to you know, where it's glued, the sealing along the strap peel. I haven't had any issues with this bag, with the exception of the leather. It's just so soft and it kind of scratches with wear, but that's nothing right there. That's it. That's all I've had issues with, and it's really not an issue, it's just a sign of wear with these bags. But anyway, so again, if you guys are selling one of your bags, let me know. So thank you, girls and guys, for joining me on my channel, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. Bye, everybody.